Hello, and welcome to LingOrbit. Learn new words every day and broaden your horizons. Ready? Let's begin!
Add. Add. To join or combine things together. To join or combine things together. Please add sugar to the tea before serving. Please add sugar to the tea before serving. Address. Address. To speak to someone or deal with a matter. To speak to someone or deal with a matter. She decided to address the issue during the meeting. She decided to address the issue during the meeting. Adjust. Adjust. To change or alter something to make it suitable. To change or alter something to make it suitable. You need to adjust the seat to make it comfortable. You need to adjust the seat to make it comfortable. Administer. Administer. To manage or oversee something. To manage or oversee something. The nurse will administer the medication shortly. The nurse will administer the medication shortly. Admire. Admire. To regard something or someone with respect or approval. To regard something or someone with respect or approval. I truly admire her dedication to her work. I truly admire her dedication to her work. Admit. Admit. To confess or accept the truth. To confess or accept the truth. He had to admit that he made a mistake. He had to admit that he made a mistake. Adopt. Adopt. To take up or accept something as your own. To take up or accept something as your own. They decided to adopt a new strategy for the project. They decided to adopt a new strategy for the project. Adorn. Adorn. To decorate or make something more attractive. To decorate or make something more attractive. She adorned the table with beautiful flowers. She adorned the table with beautiful flowers. Advance. Advance. To move forward or improve in position or status. To move forward or improve in position or status. The company plans to advance into new markets next year. The company plans to advance into new markets next year. Advertise. Advertise. To make something known publicly, especially to promote it. To make something known publicly, especially to promote it. They advertised the new product on social media. They advertised the new product on social media. Advise. Advise. To offer suggestions or recommendations. To offer suggestions or recommendations. The teacher advised her students to read more books. The teacher advised her students to read more books. Advocate. Advocate. To support or speak in favor of something. To support or speak in favor of something. She advocates for equal rights for all individuals. She advocates for equal rights for all individuals. Affect. Affect. To influence or make an impact on something. To influence or make an impact on something. The weather can affect our travel plans. The weather can affect our travel plans. Afford. Afford. To have enough money to pay for something. To have enough money to pay for something. I can't afford to buy a new car right now. I can't afford to buy a new car right now. Age. Age. To grow older. To grow older. With age comes wisdom. With age comes wisdom. Agonized. Agonized. To worry or suffer mentally about something. To worry or suffer mentally about something. She agonized over the decision for days. She agonized over the decision for days. Agree. Agree. To have the same opinion or accept something. To have the same opinion or accept something. I agree with your suggestion to change the schedule. I agree with your suggestion to change the schedule. Aid. Aid. To provide assistance or help. To provide assistance or help. The organization aids those in need during disasters. The organization aids those in need during disasters. Aim. Aim. To direct or point toward a specific goal or target. To direct or point toward a specific goal or target. He aims to become a professional musician. He aims to become a professional musician. Air. Air. To express something or let it out into the atmosphere. To express something or let it out into the atmosphere. She aired her concerns during the meeting. She aired her concerns during the meeting.
We've reached the end of our orbit for today. Hope you found this LingOrbit lesson helpful on your journey to learning English. Stay tuned for more words, phrases, and fun content in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. See you on the next planet.